Nice butt,
Ganda yung
Jen.
spa namin, ma'am. Ma'am.
Relax.
Imong mama, dili.
Ay!
Ma'am, wala pang sponsored. Jaja. Jaja. Ma'am, paputs pa ka rin Jaja, oh. Sanggal, maganda.
Massage lady said the foot spa, but I don't have sponsor yet. Wala pa akong sponsor.
Maganda, ma'am.
Yung mga pinanggagawa namin ni sponsor to. from our subscribers and beloved friends. Ah, shit. Ang sarap, be. Feel so good.
Yung dito ko parang pagka...
Feel so good, everyone.
Parang may stiffneck na yung masakit.
Pa.
Yan, ma'am. Relax, ma'am. Ano natin, ibabad natin yung ma'am.
Oh my gosh, $20 again?
Mama,
Kasi wala pa akong pera. I don't have sponsor yet.
we have a bite the bullet rated. Ah.
You said my sponsor. Next pa, guys. So there, guys. It's like a kiss
Faded.
from the province.
Oh, shit.
Eh, ano muna natin, ma'am, ibakarpan.
Hindi pati, wala pa akong sponsor.
Baka may
Baka biglang may mag-send ba? For your foot spa, Jaja. Oh shit, ang sarap. Relax, Jen, your two teens. Faded.
Anong paano?
Sleeping band. Massage sir, ma'am. Okay, ha? Galing ko. Sir.
Alam, ma'am, yung ano mo, ma'am, hikaw. Okay lang dyan.
I know why Aaron likes the song too. Who's gonna sponsor our
Jen, focus on your massage. Stop moving. Okay, Michael Sloan, thank you for your advice. Oh, it's so good. Oh my God. It's so nice.
I want full bodies.
only shoulder lang daw.
Neck and shoulders. Huh? How much for half an hour neck and shoulders?
Sila daw.
30 minutes.
Huh?
500.
30 minutes.
Mahal.
Only shoulder lang naman.
Last time, how much did we used to pay? Remember for
She's not here anymore.
Julie, right?
Yeah. Julie is not here.
Not here. Julie's daughter.
Oh my God, ate. Ang sarap lang dito sa kapila.
Di ba mas masarap dito kesa doon tayo sa ano? Doon tayo sa, what is that? Nasa shop talaga kasi makikita pa natin yung dagat.
Pa kayo, ma'am.
Pa sana kami, sabi ko, yung dilim-dilim doon. Madilim doon.
So then. Oh, gaya. Oh my God. So many stress, guys.
Ah, inaaway ako ni ate. Aaron, I thought I was doing your massage, man. That's F up. Aaron, Faded said, baby Aaron, I thought I was doing your massage, man. Gago. I will put this on here. Ate, lagay ko na